Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos. Today I'm going to introduce about the newest products, the griddles on my right hand. So let me give you the overall dimensions first. For this unit's entire length, they are about like a 35 and 1/4 inches. And the depths of the units, they are about like a 29 inches deep. Also, the overall heights, they are about like a 17.5 inches tall. For the cooking area, the thickness of this one is about like almost like a 1 inches. And it's about like a 35.5 inches wide. And the depths, they are about like 20.5 inches deep. So we can see the unit's design have a 3 individual switchers and small pillows for you to get a vision of the inside of the burners. And this have a small hole at the top for the dirt stuff you can clean from this one. And they do have a drawer at the bottoms. You can clean this drawer at a certain times. And also they come with 4 legs adjustable the heights. And the manufacturers, they offer these accessories as a regulator parts for you to use for this machine. And when we see the behind of the units, they do having a gas injections, the connection right here. They have a covers on it. And for these small injectors, it's about like a 1 inches deep. And also on the side of the units, they do have a brand's name and also having the SA, the sanitation stickers on the side for the health department inspections. So this will be all demonstration information about these products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.